from Manhattan, New York. So this is part 8 of my hair tutorial. I'm filming. This is part 8. So I just came out the shower. I just finished washing out the conditioner out of my hair. So in total, I left it in for 2 hours and a half. Because right now it is 3:22 and I just came out the shower. I jumped in the shower at 3 o'clock. So I just finished coming out the shower, washing my hair. So it's really wet right now. 1 minute, guys. I'm going to turn down my music a little bit. So yeah, guys, so I just finished jumping out the shower. My hair was still wet. I just dried it a little bit. I have like something in it. So this is the prep of my hair. I'm going to use my Dr. Miracle's Intensive Spot Serum. And it's a little orange, pinkish looking serum. I'm going to shake it really well. Then I'm going to apply it to the outers of my head. Making sure that I don't put too much. So that's enough for my entire front of my hair. Then I'm going to put some around this edge. I'm going to do the same thing in the back. And around the side. And whatever else is left, I'm just going to rub it through my hair. So I'm just going to massage that in my edges. Then I'm going to grab my Organics Argan Oil of Morocco. And I'm going to pour this much in my hand for my entire head. This will serve as a heat protectant. This will serve as a heat protectant and also a nice fragrance to my hair and a moisturizer as well. So I'm going to turn on my blow dryer. I'm going to start blow drying my hair. I did apply this little piece to make sure that I can seclude the hair to the part that I'm currently blow drying and not my entire head. This is going to take a little while. Dry the edges of my hair before I start going to the middle of my hair. So that's basically what I'm doing. I'm just drying the edges. So let's take a feel. Okay, the outside of my hair feels pretty dry except for the back. So I'm just gonna part it in half and blow dry half. So my hair is now permed, oiled, deep conditioned, and it's getting blow dried now. So I'm going to do the right hand side first. Let's scrunchie on this side, since I'm not doing this side right now. So I put a scrunchie on this side, and I'm going to continue on the right hand side. Okay, it's still kind of wet, guys, in the back, so I'm going to go back to the back. So I'm going to go to the back in a second. So as you guys can see, I cut the ends of my hair, so this is the difference now in length. If you guys can see that, it's like stairs. I didn't cut in a uniform. As you guys can see, my ends are totally healthy right now. Hope you guys can see that. So, I'm going to go to the other side of my head now, and then I'm going to return back to the back because it's still wet. is the final look. You guys, all my hair just blow dried, permed and oil. Wasn't that a lot of work, guys? So this is the end result. Stay tuned for part 9. I'm gonna grab my flat iron and start flat ironing. So if you want to see that part, stay tuned, or if you want to call it quits here, you can. This is the final result. This is the back of my hair. This is the top of my hair. This is the front of my hair. This is the left hand side of my hair. This is the back again. This is the right hand side of my hair. And this is the front. So stay tuned for part 9, you guys. Be blessed. And I didn't have any shedding. See, I don't have any shedding. Stay tuned for part 9, me flat ironing my hair to install my tracks. Okay guys, this is Brownie from Manhattan, New York. Mwah!